Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, do follow, forum backlink. So the website name is html.it. So this site is highly relevant for the IT industry or the coding background. So if you are in the same, so this site would be the relevant backlink for you. And now we can start. Before that, we can do some research about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 76, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 60, and the spam score is 4%. So it is considerable. And if we can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having 74.6k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from Italy, India, Germany, USA, and Vietnam, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase your crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so we have completed our research. So now we can start. First thing, I will provide this website a URL over the description section, so where you guys will access easily. And if anyone haven't idea to where you guys will get this website a link, so I can show you. So suppose that this is my video, and if I can open this video, you will open the description, click on the more button, and then you will see this is a backlink. And if anyone can wanting to create a high quality business listing backlink, so you can definitely visit intently.com. so if I can show you in next tab, so you will see this is a website, so where you guys will create a high quality a profile backlink, you guys will create article backlink, and also you guys will list your business. And the main feature of this website, this site will give you the backlink gap research. So suppose that if your competitor are creating anywhere backlink, and you guys are haven't created backlink where, so you guys will easily found your backlink gap with this website. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the registration button, and you guys will convert this website language into English. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So there you guys will add your username. So my company username is jobmark, and you guys will choose your password. So let me I can choose my own password, and after that there you can add your email address. Then you can confirm your email address, and you can add if you guys can get the same question, so there you can add number 18, uh, and after that you can acknowledge the HTML forms rule. You can click on the acknowledge the all options. Then after that you can click on the complete the registration button. Okay, after that this site will send you the verification email, so you guys will check your Gmail box. So I received okay, I haven't received yet. Yeah, I received in my spam folder. And you guys will click on the first link, and you will see your profile is successfully verified. You can click on the setting button. You can click on the after that you can click on the edit profile button. There you can add your website URL, and there you can add your company description. So this is my company description. So let me see if is there any option. Yeah, okay, so I can only use my v leverage. I can remove my extra description, and there you can add your where you leave, Mintonka, interest in video interview software, occupation, AI interview software. Okay, then after that you can click on the save changes. Okay, so I guess what is this information required? Yeah, everything I guess we did it. There is an option you guys will update your avatar, so you guys will choose your profile picture. This is my company logo, and after that you can click on the save changes. Yeah, click on the my profile. This okay, I guess there is something limitation issue. So you can click on the my profile button. Let me see our detail are updated or not. So yeah, description is updated. This is interest, and this is occupation, and this is our website URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see, if you can click on this, you will see your description, your location, your interest, and if I can show you, this is our website URL. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. And we will explore the another feature to how we can create a forum backlink. So you can click on the forum section. You will see there are a lot of forums. So you can click on any forums according to your interest, and you will see there is a lot of forums. If you wanting, so you can start your conversation, your threads on any existing threads. Either you can suppose that if I can click on this title, okay, so insert a new discussion. So there is an option to you guys will insert your new threads. So there you can add your thread title, there you can add your thread description, then your tag, then after that you can click on the publish button. Actually and why I cannot publish, because I'm not in the same category. Actually I have those my profile in the development and the digital marketing, but I don't have a content, so that's why I cannot going to do these things. So the option is simple. So you guys will click on the any threads, and you can click on any threads if you wanting to discussion kind of things. To you can add your reply. Either there is a option to you guys will create your thread. So you can click on the insert new discussion. So this is a process for the profile creation and the forum creation. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so you guys have to share your thoughts. You guys can share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so you guys will going to connect with me through my social media. So I can provide me all social details over the description section. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So uh, these things will help me to motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something. So okay, bye bye, and take care.